Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the 10 solution to fix EA Sports FC25 controller by Gamepad is not working. So first solution is start game through EA app not Steam and it works. Just try the solution and see this fix your problem or not. The next solution is run Steam as an administrator. To do this, now right click on your Steam and simply go to properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box or the run the program as an administrator, then launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then ensure the controller is properly connected. Make sure your controller is connected correctly via USB or Bluetooth. Check if the controller works with other games to confirm it's not the hardware issue. And the next solution is use a supported controller. EA Sports FC officially supports Xbox controller, PlayStation controllers, and the some third-party gamepads. Ensure your controller is supported. If not, then consider using third-party software like the DS for Windows for PlayStation controllers or XI input wrapper to emulate an Xbox controller. Now the next solution is update controller drivers. Update your controller driver through the device manager. Right click on the start button and select the device manager. Expand human interface devices or universal serial bus controllers and right click on your controller and select update driver and see this fix your problem or not. And if not, now the next solution is enable Steam input for non-Steam controllers. If you are using a controller in EA Sports FC25 through the Steam, enable Steam input. Open Steam and go to the settings, controllers, general controller setting, then enable support for the type of a controller you are using, Xbox, PlayStation, or generic controller, and then relaunch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution is reconfigure controller in game setting. Launch EA Sports FC and go to the setting menu. Navigate to the controller setting and ensure the right controller profile is selected. You can also reset the controller skin to default in case of a conflict. Now the next solution is disable other input devices. Disconnect or disable other input devices such as joysticks, additional gamepads, or the fly sticks which might cause conflict and see your problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution is run the game as an administrator. Right click on the game launcher and select run as administrator in the compatibility mode. Now check. And if this failed to work, now the next solution is disable background apps. Certain background apps such as NVIDIA overlay or the Discord overlay or the GeForce experience can interfere with controller detection. Disable these overlay temporarily and see if the controller works. Now the next solution is use D input by X input conversion tools. If you are using the direct input controller and use software like the X360 to convert direct input to the X input, which the game may recognize better. And the next solution is reinstall the game by repair game files. If the issues still persist, then try verifying the integrity of game files or reinstalling the game. Now go to the Steam by EA app, right click on the EA Sports and select properties. In the local file, select the verify integrity of game files or even repair, or you can also reinstall the game. And I hope one of these solution fix your problem, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.